Okay, so some progress is being made. The upper intake is sort of back in place. Once we get some bolt holes lined up, we'll check all our vacuum connections and go from there. Sir, Mike's hooking up the throttle linkage, and if the battery's not dead, we're going to try to start this thing. Maybe it'll run, or maybe it'll still end up in the front yard on fire. All right, here we go. We're going to try to start it. Careful, we built this, it might blow up. Cover gasket replacement on a box body. And it only took 3 weeks instead of 3 months. Yay!
Alright. I think you're good. Hey.
So we don't have the whole crew here, but we got Chris, Midget,
Me,
John, Will, and it works. Our EGR block up on the back of the head is not leaking. Everything we did for removing the smog pump and all of its related parts is good. All the vacuum cords are blocked. We had actually bypassed the smog pump with a belt a while back. The bearings were bad, so this is sort of finally finishing it up. Not easy. Holy shit, everything works.
it lives.
It lives, it's running, we have no leaks.
That we can see so far.
Yeah, we can see. We don't smell any smoke.
Yet.
Yet. Well, day's young. We'll get some temperature in it, and then we'll do a couple of pulls in a little bit. Well, folks, that's about it. We're going to call this job a success. If it catches fire after I go home, not my problem. See ya.